Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel Hairstyle Guide. May Allah give you health, wealth, and success in every field of life. I have not been able to make a video for 2 days because I had a fever. Even today, I am making a video with bad throat. But today, I will brought for you. I am brought for you very beautiful and amazing Pixie haircut latest designs. I hope you like all the hairstyles. If you like my video, if you are new on my channel, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video reach to you. And please let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.